Found an unusual doorstop right here. Nut driver, hair cutting scissors, thinners, buck, pocket knife.
Is that a buck?
Yeah, this says buck on it.
That's a good knife at one time.
I don't think I'll use that.
That won't even open.
Here, pull that out. 22 shells.
I had that one out once.
22 shells.
Another little knife. That's just like the one I gave you yesterday.
It's just for fishing, isn't it? On the hook.
I had no idea.
Get out of here.
This is a skull knife.
Got a 22.
More boxes of shells.
Well, I want that one.
Pair of pliers ain't no good, are they?
Probably not.
Another pocket knife. I can't tell what the name of it is.
Another buck.
There was a good knife at one time.
Old timer.
Case.
Case. I might keep that.
I don't know what kind of knife that is.
A bunch of 22s.
Another case.
To soak them in oil.
Think that would work?
Maybe.
I don't know what that is. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 knives.
They were using for a doorstop.
And a Walmart gift card. X's
Hugs and
O's.
kisses.
Hugs and kisses. So you want to throw this back in there or what?
Yeah,
On
put them
that?
all. Dump. We'll get the shells out of there. Look at him, just throwing them 22 shells away.
Yeah.
Put the knives in there and separate your 22. So, just what you might find if you're looking.